Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So in this video, we're going to cover the matchup between BSC Reberg versus Britannia CC. The lineup has already been out. Before we create the team, let's start with the stats of both teams. So we'll start with BSC here. Their main batsman is N Yasser. From 8 matches, he has 169 runs. He's not a bowler, so he's a prime batsman. We should have him in the team. Then there's Liaquat, who from 8 matches has 6 wickets and 180 runs. So 160 runs. He's one of the most important players, so you can consider him for captaincy. Then there is S. Ahmed. From 8 matches he has 100 runs. Then there is I. Chowdhury. From 8 matches he has 72 runs and 2 wickets. He can be a differential pick. Then Lakman Jaffer, the wicket keeper, from 8 matches 71 runs. Then there is Asim Rahman, just 2 matches 38 runs is also good. Then one of the important bowler from BSCR is N. Mujidadi. He is a great bowler. He's one of the national team player as well. From 6 matches, he only has 4 wickets, but the way he bowls, he can have more wickets in this match, and he also contributes with the bat as well. So you should definitely have him in your squad. Then there is S. Sahil, just two matches and 25 runs. Alibert, from 8 matches, 90 runs and 4 wickets. He may or may not get a few wickets, so it's up to you to select him or not. Then as a stats not that good. Then there's Jay Rana. He's one of the prime bowlers. His last 2 matches hasn't been great. He didn't give any points, but he's a very good bowler. As you can see, from 8 matches he has just 8 runs he has scored, but he has taken out 10 wickets so far, so he's very good. Then there's Y Khan. From 7 matches he has 8 wickets. He's very good. Then there is Farid Shah. From 2 matches, just 0 runs, but has taken 6 wickets. So these are the important players from BSCR. And coming on to BRI, their main player is Rohit Singh. He is also one of the important candidates for captaincy. From 7 matches, he has scored 208 runs and has taken 5 wickets. So he's very good and very important for this team. Then there is Faisal Qasim. He's also very good because from 7 matches, 101 runs and 10 wickets. So you can choose him for captaincy or as well as vice captaincy. Then there is R. O'Grady. He is a very good batsman. From 4 matches, 93 runs. His stats are very good, so you need to have him in your squad. Then there's Waqar Kirk. From 7 matches, 4 wickets and 89 runs. He's one of the very good all-rounder. You need to have him, but he's given in the ball keeping bowlers section, so we will be having some issue with selection. Let's see what we can do. Then Kataria, not sure his playing. Then Kashif Mohammad's stats are not good. Sanish Goyal's stats not good. Then there is Himanshu. From 5 matches he has 6 wickets. He is very good, so you should have him in your squad. And one of the important player from this squad is Waleed Ahmed. From 7 matches he has taken 10 wickets so far, so he's very important. He's one of the most important bowlers for BRI. So let's see how we can create the team. From wicket keeping section, it's definitely going to be Lakman because we have seen the stats is very important. He's very good for this squad, so we'll be choosing him. Then in terms of batsmen, Yasser, obviously he's very good. Then there's V Panchmani. He has taken few wickets and is a good batsman as well, so we need to have him. Then there is Chowdhury. Then the next one we're going to choose is going to be a bit tricky because you can either go with O'Grady or S. Ahmed. From the stats we have seen, S. Ahmed has played 8 matches and has 100 runs, and O'Grady has from 4 matches 93 runs. So looking at the stats, it's better going to be O'Grady, but if you want you can choose S. Ahmed as well, but for now I'm going to go with O'Grady. But we will see if there might be a credit issue. From the all-rounder section, RC definitely going to be there in the squad. Then there is Liaquat. He is also very important. Then there is F. Khan. So if you are going to go with 4 batsmen, we will only be able to choose just 3 all-rounders, but that's going to be very risky because we need to have Y Khan in our squad. So what we're going to do for now is we are going to skip our Grady, but it's recommended if you want to go with one prime batsman, that is O'Grady or S. Ahmed. It's up to you, but for me I need 4 all-rounders, so I'm definitely going to choose Y Khan for now. But then comes the section of bowlers, which is very important because as I told, W. Ahmed is very important. J. Iqbal, although I'll show you stats for now. See, from just don't consider the first one because that was washout. Then the next 2 matches, that is all from August versus RCD and RCD, he didn't get any points. He was his bowling was not up to the mark, but before that he was very impressive. So you need to have him in your squad. I won't be recommending to skip this bowler because the last 2 matches he didn't play well. You need to have him in your squad. Then comes the issue. We won't be able to choose W Wig because of the credit issue, and we will only be able to choose one more bowler. Both Himansh, Mujradi and Virk are very important. For now, we can go with Himansh if you want. If you can choose Mujradi, both are very good. If you want to choose Virk, the condition you got to do is we have to drop any of the all-rounder, but I won't be recommending you to drop any all-rounder. So what you can do is you can make multiple teams in which you can choose either of these bowlers, and in one team if you want you can skip Waihan and take Virk as Virk. Then we are going to have again an issue, so we'll be able to use like this only, or there's no other choice because A ready is not that good, so credit issue is highly a problem for this one. So we won't be able to select Virk as well as these bowlers, so it's up to you. For now I'm going to choose Waihan and I'm going to go with Mujradi for this match. So this is going to be my team for this match, and as far as captaincy are concerned, both R Singh and Liaquat are very good choice for captaincy. Then vice captaincy, the other vice captaincy can be given to F Khan. Then there is W Ahmed, he is also very good. Iqbal is also very good. So my captaincy for this match is going to be R Singh, and I'm going to give vice captaincy to S Liaquat. If you want, you can swap the captaincy and vice captaincy, like S Liaquat as captain and R Singh as vice captain. That's up to you. But all the other players which I mentioned, that is F Khan, W Ahmed, J Iqbal, are all good options for vice captaincy as well. So this is going to be my team. Thank you everyone for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Thank you.